Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get Popcorn Time for free. It's an app where you can watch movies, TV shows, and anything for free. As you can see, it's working right here. I can watch the latest movies, the latest TV shows, and you can download them to watch them without Wi-Fi anytime. So how you guys get the app is you go on your mobile device, go on Safari, or on Android, go on the Google Chrome, type in popinstall.club, just like this on the screen. Then it should bring you to this website where you can install the app. So what you guys want to do is connect to the server, so type in your email address. Okay, once your email address is typed in, you don't need to select, you can just select the only option, and make sure this is on, or else it won't work. Make sure you enable the encryption. So once that's ready, you could press download right here. And it's going to take you to the download my files website where you could download it after you verify that you're a human. So all you guys want to do is just download 2 of these apps on here just to verify that you're a human. So let me show you guys what to do. Just press any 2. You could X out of this. Then download this one. As you can see, it's downloading without me putting my Wi-Fi, my password in, because I've already done it before. I'm just doing this to show you guys. As you can see, it says after completion this page will unlock. So once it's unlocked, then it'll start downloading onto your phone. So as you can see, I have both apps downloaded. So this is the first color app. All you have to do is just run them for 30 seconds at least. Nothing special. You don't have to do any trials or anything, just run it for 30 seconds. But I'm not going to do that since I already got it, but I'm just going to show you guys what to do. So once you run the second app for 30 seconds, so once you guys are done both apps, you could feel free to delete them, it doesn't matter anymore. And then you should see a Popcorn Time app start downloading onto your phone. It should start loading into that circle and should install. Then it's going to ask you to trust the developer. So all you need to do is go to your settings in here. Go to your settings, find the developer in these things, click this. As you can see, I have Popcorn Time. Then it's going to just press, there's going to be a verified button right here, and just press that. And then it should let you unlock the app and you can start using it and downloading the latest shows and watching anything you want. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you guys need help or anything, please let me know down below, and I will feel free to help you guys out. Thank you very much.